Well, hi everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you the Dollar Tree little small haul I made and some chit chat. And this is my birthday week, but I'll tell you about that in a minute. Anyway, moving right along, I went to Dollar Tree. I went to try to find some cards, but I didn't work out with it. Not what I wanted anyway. And I don't really send cards anyway. But I got some more tacky glue. Then I got some of the tape, and I got for mailing. I got some of these pens, these little stylus pens. Every time I go in there, and then I got these little clips. I got some glass beads. I bought some last year, and I really didn't pay attention to them, but I put them up for safekeeping, and then I realized that these were really glass beads, and so I got pink, and I got green. So I figured, because like I said, when I went in there, and I wanted to buy like a stencil trace too, because I saw one that they had. Somebody on my YouTube channel, I don't know who, I don't remember, had got some pretty stencils, and I'm like, oh, but I didn't see them. But that's okay, I'll keep looking. Now this is the last Tuesday night that I'll be doing a video like this. Tuesdays will be cook day, Wednesdays will be art day, Thursdays will be review day, and this all starts not next week because it's Easter week. So the kids the kids and I are going to do a couple of things, but then the week after that. But I got this to do something, a little art project. I saw something and I really liked it. I'm going to try to copy it. This was my Starbucks cup, all gone. I go to Starbucks about once a month now. And then I got my little art sweater on because I'm going to do some art later. Then I got right there. I got another stylus pen. That, and I got this notebook for my granddaughter. I'm putting things in a little Easter basket. I got some more glue. And I got some rings for one of my journal books. So that's pretty much what I got from the dollar store. Then, in the mail I got this moon lamp. It's by Goodwill, believe it or not. I'm gonna take it out because it's mine. I didn't need it for a gift for anybody, I don't think. I might have been thinking about. So this is the moon lamp. I like the moon, kind of shaped like what they assume the moon to be, I guess. I'm gonna plug this one in. I think that it would have some kind of backing or something on it, but it doesn't. Oh. Let's plug it in, see how it works. How's everybody doing? I am doing fine. Birthday bash is Saturday at 8 o'clock. Everybody be there or be square. I'm going to be on for about an hour, because then I got to go to sleep. Because I'll be tired. I hear this. Let's stick this in here. Like so. And then let's... I'm sticking in, trying to see which end it goes in. And I'm not really, here it is. Oh, and it lights up. Well, that's cute. Oh, there's different colors too. That is really super cute. Orange, like a soft orange. Lights up all different colors. I thought that it had like a piece to go in it, but I don't think it does. But I just wanted to show it to you. Still lit. And I guess it lights even after that, but I have to find something to go on it. For some reason, rather, because here it shows a little like wooden piece on it. Here it is. Ah, here it is. So I guess we have to put it together some kind of way. But here's the piece. So we'll figure that out later. But that's really nice. I'm going to put this away for now. The light's still burning too, and I only plugged it in for a second. I like that. That is really nice. Still going strong. Okay, then I got some magnesium. You know I always get bad vitamins. I got some magnesium and this is by Nested. And I got this because my bones, old bones. And then I got this little necklace right here. Check this. I got this because I'm filling up the kids' Easter baskets. And like I said, I bought baskets from the dollar store. I think I showed them to you with one of my Dollar Tree hauls. And then I put candy and some things and some other things in it for the girls. Let me cut this open. So I got this bracelet. It's not a necklace, it's a bracelet. Got this bracelet for my granddaughter, the oldest one. Well, the next to the oldest one. I don't know who this fits. I guess it fits her because she's got a small arm. But this is how it looks. See the little blue stone in there? And I'm getting her jewelry. And that's the 14-year-old one. She's doing good in school, by the way. Then I got some glucosamine chondroitin, which I went to the doctor's today, by the way. I have to go back and get my physical, but I went to the doctor's because she had to fill my prescriptions and blah, 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 And she was telling me about the only thing that she took x-rays. They took x-rays about a month ago. And the only thing she was kind of worried about were my knees because of the arthritis. But she said, because I take glucosamine chondroitin once a day, she said take it twice a day. And then she's going to sort of, did I want surgery? And I said, no, I really don't. I really don't. I don't feel like going through the rehab and all of that. So she's going to get into physical therapy. And then I got ashwagandha. Okay. Then these are just empty medicine bottles. Then I got these little lead lights. They're tent lamps, but what I think I'm going to do, because I need just a little bit more lighting over here, because I'm facing the window, but it gets dark, and I do have light, but it isn't enough light. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang these lights overhead, along with my video camera that I actually have up and running. My granddaughter's going to come and set it up for me sometime next week and help me with that. There's 4 of these LED lights. I got these to review. And so let's look at them. I don't think they need any batteries or anything. Let's see how to turn them on. Maybe they do because this isn't turning on. They do need batteries. Yeah, they do, and I don't have any batteries up here, but these are the 4 LED lights. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make something across here and hang those up there, and they should do well with the lights. We'll see, because I can't judge it because I don't have the lights batteries up here. But what I will do is probably come back with one of them and show you how that works. But there's 4 of them and they hang on hooks, so that would make a very good place to have my lighting up. So I got 4 of those. Then got these. Can you see them? They're little Easter bunnies. There's 3 of them. For the girls. I know the oldest girl's not going to want it, or the next to the oldest, but the 3 little ones. Yeah, so I got 1 yellow, 1 orange, and 1 green. Of course, the green is going to go to Ari. Let's take it out. I fell in love with these things. And so they asked me, would I review them? And I said yes. I want to see if they actually come out. No, they don't come out. But that's how they look. Little feet and stuff like that. That's really cute. I thought that they would come open, but they don't. So there's 1 orange one, and 1 yellow one, and 1 green one. So those are for the girls as well. Then I found these. And they were like pennies. And so you could put, I wrote love on this one. I wrote apparently nothing on this one. Then I wrote create on this one. And then I wrote, this came from the dollar store. This was the paper pad, the 6 sheets of designs. And these are the designs. So the dollar store is getting really good with, even though they might not be big sheets of paper, like, when you go to, because I haven't got any big sheets of paper yet, but I'm going to get some of those too. So this is one. This is the other. I like that one a lot. Come on. This is the other one. This is the other one. Oh, this is the one I like too. This has butterflies on it. I thought that would be pretty. And this was the last one. So that was really, really pretty, I thought. So that's what I got for that from the dollar store. I don't know how that got in there. And then this was the last one, the create. But this looks like one that came from the dollar store, but it didn't. It came from one of the sites that I review on. And then, and don't laugh, this is the mermaid blanket. And I got this for my girlfriend's granddaughter. Then, the last thing I got was the hand paper shredder. And this is the hand shredder. It's by Good Quality A&B. The hand shredder, it, width of paper is 1, 2, 3 minimum, I guess. And then it fit for office, school, or for family use. So I'm going to use this up here when I want to destroy some paper that I don't want. Because we had an electric one, and I don't know exactly what happened to it. So that's really it. So moving right along, that's kind of it. But I'm really happy that I will possibly make another year. I'm happy about that. I'm happy about a lot of things. I'm always kind of happy anyway, so I'm not You know that light is still on? This light is still on. That is so cute. I'm happy about a lot of things. Not too much upsets me. If I'm upset, my doctor was saying that today. You're never really upset, and I'm like, not for what? Whatever happens, it happens. But I will say that I did get a clean bill of health, and she's gonna do the rest of my physical. But she did my shots and stuff. See, I like her because she does things not all at one time and not in a hurry. So she did all my shots. I had my X-rays. The only shot that she took was another blood shot just to make sure that I don't have diabetes because I was like borderline, but then now I'm not. So she just wants to make sure. And then she will do the other physical, the rest of the physical, which is due in April anyway. So, but she does things like she doesn't rush things and all that. And I'm really happy about that because, you know, I really like the doctor and everything, but it is difficult sometimes. Just going to the doctors, and I'm trying to see if this is a pen. Yes, it is. It's a pen and a stylus. I lost the head on this, but this is a good pen, so I'll leave that there and put this. I'll put it away later. So anyway, that's it. Just glad to be here. Glad to be awake. Glad that I would tell you something. Okay, God's good. If you don't know God, try to get to know Him. Now that doesn't mean, and I guess for some people, that means you got to go to church and blah 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 blah. I go to church because I like it. Okay, if I can't go to church, I read my Bible every day. I share my Bible on Facebook with all my friends. Um, I try to do the best that I can to be a human being, if at all possible. Um, it doesn't mean that I live a perfect life because that doesn't happen to anybody. But if you don't know God, get to know Him because He's a good God. He's been good to me, and He'll be good to you. So, having said that, I'm going to go. I'm going to do some art and just be glad, that I'm just glad for the day. It was a beautiful day. Still kind of cold, kind of rainy. No snow, though. I'm just going to say it. No snow. So I'm happy about that. Um, I'll see you all later. I love you. I will come on again. And remember, Saturday night, 8 o'clock, live. I'm going to go YouTube live and then possibly Facebook live for a minute too, just so that everybody can say happy birthday to me and I can say how good it is to be here and give God some praise because 70 is a milestone. You know that. Now, am I on 10 years from now? Who knows? But if 80 comes and I have all my faculties, which I will, which I claim, I might be back on again. Who knows? Anyway, moving right along. I love you all. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye and enjoy your evening.